Way to go on trying to get that 15 points. All we're going to do for this is add in an image layer that's going to be within the letters that we've added in. So to do that, the first thing is to decide on which picture we're going to use. So I've got a number of pictures here. I think I'm going to put in a building on this one. After I've added that in, I'm going to click enter, and I'm going to make the layer invisible by hitting the little eyeball. Click back on your font, and then I want you to go to a selection tool called the magic wand. It's probably hiding underneath the object selection tool. With this, I'm going to hold shift, and I'm going to keep clicking on the inside of my text until I have the entire inside selected. There we go. After I've done that, I'm going to make the picture layer visible again, and I'm going to highlight that layer so that way I know that I've got that layer selected for where I'm going to create my layer mask. Down at the bottom of your layers palette, you're going to find that rectangle with a circle in the middle. Click on it. Then I want you to click this little symbol between the layer mask and the image. It looks like a chain link. It stands for linking the layer mask to the image. Now I can go to the move tool, and with the image part on that layer selected, not the layer mask, I can move the image around within the font. If I want it to be larger, I do Control T. I can make the image larger. If I want to make it smaller, I can make it smaller. Then I'll click enter. From there, I'm going to change either the opacity or the blending mode to make it so that the image that I've selected doesn't totally overtake the font with the gradient below it. I actually like hard light. So from there, you can make sure that you're happy with how everything else looks. And in this case, I actually want to switch the blending option for my stroke to just be black. I think it looks a little bit better. So that right there is going to be a 15-point extra credit assignment. So congratulations if you've gone through each of the videos and you've been able to do this. You've definitely earned your extra credit for it. Make sure that when you're done, you do File, Save a Copy, and give it that JPEG option for the format. Give it a name for what you know it's going to be, where it is and all that. Click Save, and that's going to be what you turn in. Hope you had fun.